Today is Fred's birthday, and we got him a new video card, graphics card for his computer, and we thought we'd test a bit. Now he's running Minecraft with some shaders, and that's kind of like an option. It's not official, but anyway, you can see up here is 332 frames per second. So move around a bit, Fred, and see what happens. Okay.
I have motion blur on right now, so if we just take that off.
I don't know what he's doing now, but let's just watch.
Let's see here. Motion blur off.
Okay.
Okay. Here. This is how it looks.
Okay.
Moving around.
Okay. Can you show me how many FPS?
Right now I have 36.
Okay, yeah. And if you move around a bit, will it drop?
No.
Go to a fire or something. See what happens.
It's still at 25. I have
Okay.
40.
That's strange, but I think it's when you view in the distance. It
Yeah.
gets slower, yeah. So that's harder for the computer.
32.
Okay, let's turn this off and put in this new graphic cards and see what happens.
Okay, should I just turn off the shaders?
Yeah, no. Turn the computer off. Totally.
Wait, I have to show without shaders.
Okay, yeah, sure.
So without shaders, I have... It's pretty good without shaders.
Okay.
I have about...
Ooh.
500.
Wow. Okay, so shaders takes a lot of power from the computer.
Yeah, 300 to 500.
Okay, so what's what are the? There are two numbers there, 400 and 206. What is that?
I really don't know what the other number does. It's just that one.
Oh yeah.
Left
Okay,
that.
yeah, but it's really smooth now. But in game doesn't look so good.
No. It just looks kind of boring right now.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It does. Okay, let's turn the computer off and put in the new card.
Okay.
So this is how his computer looks like. Okay, vi tar det här.
Is that the only thing you have to screw off?
Prova. Ta loss den där. Om det går.
It's on. No, I don't think so. I think there's another screw somewhere. Oh, that's how you do it.
So here's the old one, GTX 770.
So for the thing to not break, I need to discharge my body by touching metal.
Yeah, good.
So now I'm discharged. Gud, de här går inte riktigt skruva av.
Shit. Vad bra.
Så, vad fint. Ska den här sitta?
Där inne. Men vi...
Sitta så här. Kanske inte ska ta på elektroniken eller?
Nej, så kan du inte sitta. Den där är ut. Sidan.
Så jag ska sitta så där.
Nej,
så. Så.
Snyggt.
Nej, jag kan inte.
Okay, all this together You can try it out.
Windows 7. Herregud. Han går ju snabbt. So I don't have a lot of FPS now, but it's more powerful, so I can run like higher quality shaders when I'm playing. So instead of being only able to have like the medium, I can now have high or extreme without any drop of FPS. Like now I have over 30. You see, if I just say still, it should go up to like, well, I have got like 30 right now.
But you had like 5 or 6 with the old.
Yeah, with the old
card.
one
Yeah.
I have had less than 10. And if I take it off, I do not have 500, but I have 200.
Okay, so
Around 200 and 300.
Enough.
Yeah. Enough to run it really smooth.
okay. And a side effect of getting a new graphic card was that the old screen didn't work because it had it's an analog input, so we had to get another screen. So his whole boy cave was upgraded.
It's now a man cave.
Yeah, he's 13 now, so he's a teenager. It's a teen cave.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Soon it shall be a man cave.
So Fred is happy with his birthday gift. Happy birthday, Fred, and enjoy your gaming, man.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.